So we found this at 13. Going after that guy right there. After we're done, we're going to torque this one to 20. But you get that pan under there, hopefully it's going to catch all the spill and not leak all over the place. This is what you do without burning myself on the exhaust pipe. Here we go. Alright. While this is going on, as the smarter oil changes said, go upstairs and change the oil filter on the top. By the time you get done with that, hopefully this will be all drained out. Alright, so there's something new on these. Alright, the dipstick's over here. It's gonna fill. Right now it's right to the top of this guy. I don't see a mark that says on full. But at least I know where it was. Something I've never had before is, right about here, is the oil filter. So you've got to pop this cover off. It's got a pin here and a pin here. 2 hinges in the back. Comes off that easy. This guy here, can you see him? Move you guys over a bit. Right here. That's going to be a 24. So we're going to take that out. Got a new filter. There's an O-ring inside here. Didn't notice it when I bought it. I thought I got chipped on that, but it's actually not in a bag. It's just hiding in there. So I'm going to grab a wrench and take that off. So we picked up the 24. Pull this guy out. Back over here in this guy. Just gonna pull. Should be a pop. We're gonna take off the old O-ring. This guy's trash. We're gonna grab the new O-ring. You're going to get some oil on your fingers around that O-ring and just slide them back on here. A little bit of trying to get that back on the bottom level there. So, next step, I'm going to break out this guy. We're going to use some of that oil. And just get it on this guy because it's going to seal to it. We're going to get it on this guy because it's going to do some sealing there. Alright, so we're going to put these two together and listen for a pop. There it is, it's stuck in there. I'm going to go back to there. Slide it in, tighten it back up. I believe if you want to torque things, it's going to be 18 pounds. Yeah, it's about 18 pounds. Since it's plastic, it's going to be a little bit different. But always check for leaks. So get rid of this guy and this guy. We're going to go downstairs. Just there it is. Looks like a little spider web in the wind. There you go. Just that little bit right there. Just waiting on that. And that big glob at the top there. It's going to take longer than I thought for it to drain. So anyway, we're going to do this. We're going to wipe it off. We're going to put the cap back on. And then we're going to torque it to, where'd you get? 20 pounds. I'm trying to remember how easy it was to take that off. So 20 pounds ain't going to be too much, so don't be pulling too hard when you're looking for that 20 pounds. Alright. I think it's because it's so cold out here, it's making this run really slow. So we came up with Pennzoil. Had the 5W20. This is the giant 5-quart jug. We're going to dump all this in our oil fill. Yeah. Okay, right there. 5W20. Make sure you check your cap to see what it wants. We're going to dump it all in there. We're going to pull out our dipstick. We're going to check it. Got to get rid of that oil change required. You're going to turn your key on. Step on your gas 3 times. And hopefully it won't happen again. We're ready to start it up and just check it for oil leaks. And I don't have an oil change required. Yeah, buddy. Camera's shaking because it's cold out here. Alright, so I'm just going to go out, take my flashlight, look all around for leaks, and check that dipstick again. Start it back up and see what happens. Alright, so we're just going to wipe this thing down here. Just pretend I did. Yeah. Alright. So our light bulb's over here. We're gonna drip oil all over our alternator. Because we're trying to make a video so you can learn not what to do. So you can learn what not to do. Oh my gosh. So my alternator is going to be running a little bit smoother. All right.